We recently purchased this two-seater garden bench and we needed a rain cover. We live in the UK, so you just never know. So we decided to go for this Rainberg garden bench cover, and it's especially for two-seaters. And what you get a nicely packaged pouch. I wasn't sure if it was kind of part of the whole cover, but as you can see, it's separate, which is very handy, easy to store. This is a slip cover, so you just literally need to pop it on the bench. It says Rainberg on the front. The material in the inside is kind of silverish, and the stitching looks pretty good as well. So first impression is really good. This looks a little bit big on our two-seater. I have a feeling ours is a little bit on the small side, but the measurements are 132 by 68 by 97 centimeter. So make sure that you do check the measurement on yours. I was looking for the fastening on this, to make sure that we can keep it down, and I finally found it. It was actually at the bottom on the left, and you can get this little kind of pull fastening that I tightened as much as I could. And what I did after I tightened it, I just kind of tucked everything in around it. And this one is waterproof, windproof, anti-UV and heavy duty rip-proof 420D Oxford fabric. So I said it hasn't rained yet, so I don't know how good it's going to be, but definitely the first impression is pretty good. As you can see, it's very easy, kind of tuck it underneath the bench, and I think it looks really good, and it seems that it's going to give a nice protection. So far so good. A thumbs up from us.